Hi everybody! Today I'll teach you how to make a Christmas tree from a granny square. Before we get started, if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also activate the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my new tutorials. You can support the channel by becoming a member. Choose your subscription plan to access exclusive benefits. Let's get started. Make a slip knot, chain 5, make a slip stitch into the first chain, chain 2 as the first double crochet, then chain 1 as the chain space. Make 1 double crochet, chain 1 11 times. Make a slip stitch into the second chain. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Attach a new color, make a slip knot, yarn over, and insert the hook into any chain space. Make 2 double crochet, then chain 1 12 times. Make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Change the color and make a slip knot, yarn over, and insert the hook into any space. Make 3 double crochet, then chain 1 12 times. Make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Make a slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. And the last slip stitch into the next space. For the next round, chain 3 as the first double crochet and make 2 treble crochet, chain 2, 2 treble crochet, one double crochet into the same space. Make 3 double crochet into the next 2 spaces. One double crochet, and make 2 treble crochet, chain 2, 2 treble crochet, one double crochet into the same space. Make 3 double crochet into the next 2 spaces. And repeat all the way around. To end this round, make a slip stitch into the top of chain 3. Make a slip stitch into the next 2 stitches and another slip stitch into this corner. For the last round, chain 3 as the first double crochet, then make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet into the same space. Make 3 double crochet into the next 3 spaces. And repeat all the way around. Cut the yarn and use a darning needle. Insert the needle under the 2 loops from this side. And into the back loop from the other side. This is the front side. Insert the darning needle into the back loop right here. And into the back loop from the other side. And continue till the end. This sewing will be on the back side. Now turn it on the front side. And continue sewing at the same way. Use another color and make a slip knot. Take off the hook and insert it into this space. Place the loop on the hook and pull it through. Then chain 1 and make 7 extended double crochet. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow.